to this video on accessing the Université de Sherbrooke library and some basic search techniques. As a student in the Master Teacher program, you now have the right to use all of the books and databases at the Université de Sherbrooke libraries. Let's take a look at the different ways to access these resources. An easy way to find the online library is, of course, to go through Google. Type in UDS Library and hit Enter. As you can see, it is at the top of the page. Click on the link. This will bring you to the main page of the library. It may be a good idea to bookmark this site. You will need to connect with your CIP and password. If you are in the portal where you find your grades and statements, you will notice that you can access the library by clicking on Bibliothèque on the left-hand side of your screen. And another easy way to access the library is from your Moodle page. Depending on your course's setup, the access will either be on the right-hand side of your screen or at the bottom, so you may need to scroll down. Let's say I want to research what is happening with the integration of technology in the teaching of geography. I can simply type it in the search box and click Search. And this is what I get. Notice that there are over 4,000 results, and I doubt anyone has the time to sift through so many. So here are a few techniques to find exactly what you are looking for. A search strategy is an organized structure of key terms used to search a database, and combines the key concepts of your search question in order to retrieve accurate results, and it should account for all possible terms, keywords, and phrases. Unlike in Google and in other search engines, you will not get satisfactory results if you type in an entire sentence. Instead, you need to pick out the key phrases, words, and concepts. As you do your searching, keep track of the words that appear in the detailed descriptions or records of your result lists. You can use these to expand your search and improve your results. Let's refine my results. I will click on Advanced Search in the top left-hand corner here, and then we'll use the boolean operators. Using AND will narrow the results because all search terms must be present in the resulting records. Using OR will broaden the results because search results may contain either or both search terms. NOT excludes results with whichever search terms follow it. The order of your search terms matters when using NOT because results with the second search term will be excluded. When beginning your search, start with keywords. As you refine your search, you will use other areas. One that I use often is to find from particular authors. Some additional tips include putting words in quotation marks to get results that have the exact phrase, such as college teaching here. And you can also use a truncation or the asterisk for multiple word endings. Adding an asterisk at the end of a word will help you get results that include the root word as well as any possible endings. For example, tech and the asterisk, results will include the words technology and technological, but it can also include technicolor. Let's click on Search and see what we end up with. You will need to try various combinations of your key terms. You can see here that we are down to 1,600 results. So now we will look at the filters to narrow the search down to a more relevant list of sources. I will search all of the University of Sherbrooke's libraries. And I will keep all file formats. For content type, I'm going to check off full text and peer-reviewed only. As we are looking at technology, I'm going to click on only last 5 years of publication. I'm going to limit the search to only English articles and choose all authors and all databases. I'm down to 106 results. There are several options to sort the findings. I'm going to go with Best Match. I can now quickly take a look at the title, the authors, the date, and the publication of the different sources. Article number 4 looks very interesting to me, so I can either send it to email or I can save it. From this quick look at titles and summaries, I have saved 5 articles. I now have a few options. I can save all the articles, I can create a list, or I can email the link to each article. One thing that I have found useful when working on a large project is to create an individual email address for the search results only. This way they are in one place only and not mixed up with other emails. By clicking on the title of the article, you can now download the PDF version. Click on Access Online. You'll notice that the different databases that the article is housed on are provided. I will click on View Full Text. Here I have access to the full article. I can click on PDF and save it to my computer. Our video on effective article searching will help you with the next steps. Happy researching!